So we have learned how to solve the word problems of addition and subtraction. Now let us solve a few more word problems. Ben has 58 exercise copies. His friend Paul has 16 exercise copies. How many exercise copies do they have in all? So there are two friends, Ben and Paul, and each of them has certain number of exercise copies. What we need to find is, or they need to find is, that how many copies do they have in all? Now what do we mean by in all? We mean how many copies do they have put together. That is, putting together the copies which Ben has and which Paul has, how many copies will be there. If you recall, there are many names for addition like altogether, in all, total, put together, plus, sum of. So we see that in all is just another name for addition. So when we have in all in the question, or when we need to find how many copies do they have in all, it means that we need to add the number of copies which they have. So what is the first step? Can you tell me? The first step is to write what is given. So it is given that Ben has 58 exercise copies. So the first statement is number of copies with Ben is equal to 58. 58. What will be the next statement? His friend Paul has 16 exercise copies. So the next statement is number of copies with Paul is equal to 16, which is what is given in the question. So we have written what is given in the question. Now we need to write, what do we need to find here? We need to find how many copies do they have in all. So we write number of copies they have in all is this plus this, because we need to put together the number of copies they have, that is we need to add them. So this number plus this number, that is number of copies with Ben plus number of copies with Paul. And what is the number of copies with Ben? 58. 58. And what is the number of copies with Paul? 16. So 58 plus 16. This is what we have here. Now we need to add these two. So 58 plus 16. What is 8 plus 6? 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4 ones and 1 tens gets carried. So we need to add 1 plus 5 plus 1. What is 1 plus 5? 6. And what is 6 plus 1? 7. So we get a 7 here. So there are 74 exercise copies which they have in all. So Ben and Paul have 74 exercise copies put together, or 74 exercise copies in all. So this is how we can help them solve their problem or count the number of copies which they have using the word problems and using addition. Let us look at one more problem. It says Alan has 97 marbles. His friend Toby has got 59 marbles. How many more marbles does Alan have than his friend Toby? So I need to find how many more marbles does Alan have than Toby. So how many more than? So the keyword here is more than. Now recall that there are several names for subtraction. Names like left with, take away, minus, more than. So if we need to find how much is something more than the other, we need to subtract, which is what we have in this case. So how many more marbles does Alan have than Toby? So we need to subtract. For that, first we need to write what is given to us. What is given? Alan has 97 marbles. So the number of marbles with Alan is equal to 97. Number of marbles with Alan is equal to 97. Next, what is given? Toby has got 59 marbles. So we write number of marbles with Toby is 59. It is 59. So we have now written the two things which are given to us. Now we need to write, what do we need to find? We need to find how many more marbles does Alan have than Toby. So I write number of more marbles that Alan has than Toby. And how can I find this? We know that we need to subtract these two. So this minus this. Because Alan has more marbles, so I write this number first. So number of marbles with Alan minus number of marbles with Toby. Because Alan has more number of marbles, I write this first and then the number of marbles with Toby. And what is this equal to? So number of marbles with Alan is 97. So I write 97 minus number of marbles with Toby, which is 59. So 59. 97 minus 59. Now can you perform this subtraction and tell me the answer? Let's do it together. 97 minus 59. What is 7 minus 9? Well, 7 is less than 9. So I cannot subtract 9 from 7. So I need to borrow from here. So this 9 becomes 8 and 7 becomes 17. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So I get an 8 here. And in the tens place, I have 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. So I get a 3 here. So my answer is 3, 8, 38. So this is the answer to the question, how many more marbles does Alan have than Toby? So Alan has 38 more marbles than his friend Toby. And we were able to find this using subtraction. So you will see several such problems in and around you in your daily life, and you can use addition and subtraction to solve those word problems. So do try out these word problems till you get them all correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.